Hey guys, it's me, Beast Gamer, and in today's video, I'll be exploding TNT. So 1 hour ago, I made this TNT castle. I'm gonna explode it. So ready? In 3 seconds. Let's just see the view first. 5. Ooh, wait. Woohoo! Looks cool. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! Go, go! Oh, nice, jump it! Oh, my screen. Oh, shit. Holy crap. Oh, my days, go! My screen. My screen. Uh-oh. Go away, go away, go away, go away. Oh, my days, this is epic. So laggy. Wait, what happened? Still going on here. Oh, my days, so scary. Wait, the fuck? Wait. Finished already? Okay. That was too quick. So, yeah. So, guys, thank you for watching, and bye. Wait, 1 minute. Bye. Bye.